Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this car freshener that this brand LISEN sent to me for the video. I didn't actually take it out of the box because I want to show you the packaging. I think this could be a fantastic gift because of how nice the packaging is, how elegant the packaging is. So I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. And then, of course, we're going to try it out because this one seems to be a really, really good one. It works with the kind of like the aromatherapy that comes with right here, but you can actually replace that one and you can use other ones as well. But of course, I do recommend using this one. Let's open the box, but before that, I'm going to show it to you right away. Just take a look at this packaging. I mean, I'm really surprised about this one. It looks like a really fancy cologne or something like that, or perfume. So I really like the packaging. It could be a nice gift, but yeah, I have it opening up right now, so I'm gonna do it. So once that you open everything, you're gonna see that right here, it comes with, I think you can see them inside, right? Yeah, those are gonna be the ones that are gonna keep your car fresh. And then what you're gonna do is just open this, put this one inside, and you're gonna see that this one right here comes with a magnet. Just like that. By the way, you can hang this from your mirror, for example, if you want, with this linen over here or with this clip over here as well. But if you don't want to do that, what I do recommend is just using this. With this one is going to be in your car, the vent, kind of like the vent hose right there, the clip. You can actually clip this one and put it in your vent. So that is really, really good. Let's actually take a look right now. So this is kind of what I was telling you before. You can just clip it right here on your vent. And if it doesn't fit or something like that, you can actually do this. So that is another really good thing. It is pretty stylish. I do like it. It smells really good just without having the AC coming out, like the vent or the fan or something like that. It actually smells really good already. And then remember, you can just remove this clip, the silicone clip over here, just like this. It's actually remove it this way. Use the magnet, and then you can just use the linen to clip it over here from your mirror. I like it, pretty stylish, and of course works perfectly. Smells really good. They have multiple fragrances, so just check them out. But this one looks really good and it smells really good as well. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.